Today we're going to talk about self-image in the shoulder. If our image of our shoulder is this particular joint right here, the actions that we'll take will pretty much mostly occur just at this joint. And as you can see, this is not a super stable joint. There's not a lot of room in here. So if I just move my arm without thinking of the shoulder blade, you can see how things can get really tight here. So part of what we do in the Feldenkrais method is we work to expand our self-image. If we can get to the point where we can start to include the shoulder blade in with the movement of the arm, then you can see, let's see if we can do that. You can see that the arm gets some help, and there's larger muscles attached to the shoulder blade, which will help support the movement of the arm. Now, articulating with the shoulder blade is the collarbone, and you can see we have one on each side, and this makes up our shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle hangs on top of the collarbone. And we can think of the rib cage as the structure that supports the shoulder girdle. So if we even bring in more of ourselves, the rib cage, into the movement, along with the shoulder girdle, then we can see that there's more of us contributing to the movement, making the movement much more effortless in the arm. And then finally, you can kind of see a little movement in the pelvis. And if we add the movement of the pelvis, that's going to help move and support the spine, which is going to connect into the rib cage. And we can feel we have more of ourselves involved in the movement of raising the arm, which will put less stress on the structures around this joint.